I was asked to explain the difference between evil eye, um, black magic attack, and psychic attack. Now, evil eye and psychic attack are almost similar. What I mean by that is, if someone does uh, sends negative energy to you, for example, you are very beautifully dressed in a new dress, and you just going on the road, and someone literally says, wow, so nice, I wish I had that. Or you are going to a party and you're looking very nice, and you yourself know that, and others in the party, you can feel their jealous eyes looking at you but not saying anything. Those are the kinds of psychic attacks that are happening. They are unintentional energies which are not good sent towards you. Now, if your aura is not strong enough, then those energies can affect you, and you may have noticed that you either tear your dress or something falls on your dress and it gets spoiled. The same is the case if someone is jealous of your job, of your looks, of your career, of your speaking abilities. So we get these negative energies from someone else that are not intentionally to harm us, but they do tend to harm us because our aura is weak and we can't ward them off, or we are not able to ward them off. Now, evil eye is almost similar, same jealousy, same negative energies. It could also, to a certain extent, be counted as some curses or some blame energies sent directed towards you. They would also harm you if your aura is weak. Black magic is serious. Black magic is actually energies intentionally directed towards you to cause you harm, either in your health or in your relationships or your work and wealth, right? So, if we are talking about energy healing, what we light workers do is we remove the dirty energy, the diseased energy, the not so good energies, and we fill the area or the body part or the whole aura with fresh prana or good intentions. Black magic is just the opposite. They are removing good energies from your system intentionally and putting in dirty energies to harm you. Now, where they are putting the intention, it will harm you there. Some people lose their job because of black magic. Some people have relationship problems, end up getting divorced. Some people even go to the length of not being able to conceive. Those are all intentionally put negative energies, evil eye. Now, question is, what about aura's strength? In case of black magic energies, obviously, whether your aura is strong or not, you will get hit. How big the impact is going to be is going to depend on your aura. If your aura is strong and you are regularly taking care of your energies, then it will not be that much as a weak person's aura or a weak aura person, right? Now, what is the reason behind it? First is law of karma. If you have planted those seeds in the past, in any of the past incarnations, you will reap the karma of it, whether in this incarnation or your next generation will in the going on lives. So you have to understand, if you have planted the seed knowingly, unknowingly in the past, they are maturing. Second is, if you have been jealous, envious, or had such negative wishful thinking about others, again, you are susceptible to these things, right? So the question is, what can I do now to protect my aura? That is a whole different video. We'll get to that.